Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. My name is still remain Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Tairu Boost IQ. And we are going to look at part 4 of multiplication tricks, where we are going to multiply 3 digits by what? 2 digits, which is 231 multiplied by 21. Solution 23121. So we are going to use this one to multiply the upper number, which is 2, 3, and 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 give us 2. The next thing is for us to use this 2 and multiply the upper number 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 give us 6. And 2 times 2 give us 4. So we put our plus here. We bring down 1. Then here we're going to say 3 plus 2 will give us 5. And here will be what? 2 plus 6 will give us 8. And this one we drop our 4, which is what? 4,851. Now let's look at the trick part now. The trick part, the first number here is 2. So we are going to have 2 straight lines here. 1, 2. The following number is 3, which is at the middle. At the middle, we are going to have 3 lines. 2, 1, 2, 3. Then the last one is 1. Then the last one we now have 1. Here is 2. Then we are going to have 2 lines. 1, 2. Then the last one is 1. We now have 1. So here the point is 1. So we write down our 1. So we are going to count these 2 and add it to this one. That is this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We write down our 5. So we are going to count this point and add it to this side, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write down our 8. Then the remaining point is this one, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. We write down our 4, which is what? 4,851. 4,851. Subscribe to this channel for more multiplication tricks like this. It helps in building our memories and brain. Thank you.